Hi, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to speak slow English, and I'm also going to demonstrate everyday things that people do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my jacket. This is my jacket. I'm putting on my jacket. And then I'm going to zip up my jacket. I'm zipping up my jacket. Okay, my jacket's on. I've zipped it up. I'm zipping up my jacket. I'm going to unzip my jacket. I'm going to take my jacket off. I'm taking it off. Putting it on, taking it off. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on sandals. And some people call these flip-flops. I call them flip-flops, but they can also be called sandals. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to sit down and put on my flip-flops. Okay? I have my flip-flops on. I'm going to take off my flip-flops. I've taken one flip-flop off. I'm going to take the other flip-flop off. I've taken off my sandals. I'm going to put on my socks. I'm putting on my socks. I'm going to put on my socks. Okay, there we go. Got my socks on. I have socks on. I'm going to put on my running shoes. I'm going to put one running shoe on. Sorry. I'm going to put the other running shoe on. I have my running shoes on. My running shoes are on. I'm going to take them off. I'm going to take my socks off. I still have one sock on. There's still one sock on. I still have a sock on. I'm going to take the other sock off. The other sock off. Okay. Now, if you speak Spanish, I think it's ahora. Now, ahora. I'm learning Spanish. Okay, these are slippers. You know, for the home. Slippers. Let's do it again. I'm going to put on my slippers. My slippers are on. I'm wearing my slippers. Okay, now I'm going to take off a slipper. I'm going to take off one of my slippers. I'm going to take off a slipper. I'm going to take off one of my slippers. Now I'm going to take off the other slipper. I'm taking off the other slipper. Anyway, I hope that helps in any way. Thanks so much for coming to my channel. I forgot what I was saying. Give me a like and a subscribe. and we'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching.